Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content distribution with Outbrain, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your content distribution with Outbrain, start by visiting the Outbrain website. Create an account or log in to your existing Outbrain account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab to begin setting up your content distribution. Select the option to create a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective carefully. You can opt for options such as traffic or engagement. Set your daily budget according to your marketing goals. Decide on the campaign duration to control how long your content will be distributed. Next, select the audience you want to target. Use demographic filters to narrow down your audience effectively. Upload the content you wish to promote. Ensure the headlines are catchy and the images are high quality. Add a compelling call to action to encourage clicks. Once you've set up your content, review all details in the summary section. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. When ready, launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign's performance through the analytics dashboard. Check metrics such as click-through rates and engagement levels regularly. Adjust your targeting and budget as needed based on the performance data. Continue optimizing your campaign for maximum effectiveness. Explore different topics and formats for future campaigns to expand your reach. Enjoy the benefits of upgraded content distribution with Outbrain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.